Are you feeling confused about prepositions, interjections, and conjunctions, which means parts of speech? Well, you are very fortunate and lucky because in this video, I'm gonna exactly help you understand 8 parts of speech in simpler words. Noun, it's a word that refers to a place, person, or a thing, or we can say an idea. Let's take the example of a name like Khurshid sir, Gulmarg. Basically, this is a place. Book, it's a thing. And happiness or freedom basically is an idea. Pronoun एक ऐसा लफ्ज जो noun की जगह इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. मिसाल के तौर पर he, she, it, we, they. Verb is a word that shows action like eat, sleep, play, speak, write. Then we have adjective. Basically, some people say adjective, but the right pronunciation is adjective. Is a word that describes or modifies a noun. एक ऐसा लफ्ज जो इसम को या तो बयान करता है या उसको बदलता है. Adjectives can show qualities नरम, hard, सख्त, strong, मजबूत, beautiful, खूबसूरत. These are all examples of adjectives. Basically, it will also tell us about the size of a noun. How big or small something is. यानी कोई चीज, कोई noun कितना छोटा या बड़ा है. Example is the tiny cat, the tall basketball player. Tiny और tall जो है इस size के बारे में हमें बोलता है. Adjective can also describe the colors like green, black, white, red, black coat or blazer, red t-shirt or white shirt. Adjective will also tell us about the quantity, how much or how many of something. यानी कोई चीज किस मिकदार में है. For an example, I have 10 books. 10 किताबें मेरे पास है. Because it is showing the quantity of books. I have 5 Rolls Royce cars. यानी मेरे पास 5 Rolls Royce cars है. So this shows the amount of cars that I'm having right now. Adjectives can also tell us about the shapes. It can also tell us about the age. Shapes, for an example, triangular or rectangular. These are all shapes described by the adjective. Age, the new house, the old home. Hard, soft, 10 cars, old, new, young, tall, tiny. So ये सारे क्या हैं? Adjective. That means सिफतें of any noun. Now we will learn about part of speech number 5, adverb. Adverb, a word that describes or modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb. Adverb means एक लफ्ज जो बदलता है. Modify means बदलना. एक verb को बदलता है या फिर adjective को बदलता है या फिर दूसरे adverb को बदलता है. Now let's take some examples of adverb. I can run swiftly. मैं तेजी से. Swiftly means तेजी से दौड़ सकता. Swiftly is adverb. He came back strongly. उसने मजबूती से वापसी की. Strongly means मजबूती से. तो ये क्या हुआ? ये adverb हुआ. I played cut shot beautifully. मैंने cut shot खूबसूरती से खेला या खूबसूरती के साथ खेला. So this is also an adverb. खूबसूरती से. She sings softly. वो नरमी से गाती है. नरमी से softly. It's also an adverb. यानी कोई चीज किस शिद्दत से हो रही है, हो रहा है. I can speak English easily. मैं आसानी से अंग्रेजी बोल सकता हूँ या सकती हूँ. It's raining heavily. बहुत जोरदार बारिश हो रही है. जोरों की बारिश हो रही है. Heavily is also an adverb. Now parts of speech number 6, that is prepositions. Like we have in, on, at, or, under. Preposition एक ऐसा लफ्ज है जो हमें रिश्तेदारी दिखाता है. इसके दरमियान, noun के दरमियान या pronoun के दरमियान. He, she, it, they. Noun means name of any person, place, or a thing or an idea. Examples in, at, on, or, under. Examples: Examples: the pen is in the pocket. In the pocket. In is the preposition. And the next example is the book is on the table. किताब मेज पर है. On is the preposition. I jumped over the wall. मैंने दीवार के ऊपर से. ऊपर. This is preposition. यानी ये दीवार है, इसके ऊपर से मैंने जंप मारा. Without touching the wall. ऊपर से. बिल्ली मेज के नीचे है. वैसे यहाँ पे कोई बिल्ली नहीं है. अगर आपके पास कोई बिल्ली है, इसके नीचे रखेंगे तो बन गया प्रपोजिशन. अंडर द टेबल. नीचे. एट. जब मैं किसी जगह पे फिजिकली मौजूद हूँ, अवेलेबल हूँ, I can use at. For an example, I'm at home because I'm physically available at home. Or I'm at bus stop. I'm at airport. At airport. This is also a preposition. And then we have preposition number 7, which is conjunction or conjunctions. Conjunction एक ऐसा लफ्ज जो मिलाता है. किसको मिलाता है? या तो लफ्जों को मिलाता है या क्लॉज को मिलाता है. सेंटेंस के एक टुकड़े को दूसरे टुकड़े से मिलाता है और सेंटेंस को मिलाता है. एक सेंटेंस को दूसरे सेंटेंस से मिलाता है. इसका काम है जोड़ना, मिलाना. ओके. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, एंड, बट, or, because. These are all conjunctions. Examples: Khurshid sir plays cricket, but Senorita ma'am plays badminton. Khurshid sir cricket खेलता है, लेकिन Senorita ma'am badminton खेलती है. So these sentences or clause are connected by this word, which is called conjunction, because इसका काम ही है connect करना. I ate chocolate. मैंने chocolate खाया या खाई. And you ate banana. आपने केला खाया. Or, so these clauses are connected by this word, which is called conjunction, because its job is to connect two clauses or sentences or two words. Let's take more examples of conjunction. Would you prefer tea or coffee? क्या आप कॉफी लेना पसंद करेंगे या चाय? So these two clauses are connected by this word, or which is a conjunction. You didn't go. आप नहीं गए because it was snowing. क्योंकि बर्फबारी हो रही थी. तो इन दो जुमलों के टुकड़ों को किसने मिलाया? Because ने. So it is also a conjunction. Parts of speech number 8, interjection. A word or a clause that expresses emotions, surprise, feelings, or excitement. Like wow, hey, oh. These are all interjections. Examples of interjections. Wow, that's amazing. वाह, वो बहुत शानदार है. Oh, I didn't see you. Oh, मैंने आपको नहीं देखा. Hey, wait for me. अरे मेरा इंतजार करो. If you watch more English speaking videos or English grammar videos, subscribe and also share with maximum students so that they can also learn from this very important topic. क्योंकि एग्जाम आ रहे हैं और किसी स्टूडेंट की अगर हेल्प होती है तो बहुत ही बढ़िया काम है.